Hello kids, Miss Asha is here, and then today we are starting our grade 9 all the topics. So today I'm gonna make a video for the first topic. The topic is very important, is quadratic simultaneous equation. So quadratic simultaneous equation is the first question here. Like they give me two equations here. That's equation number 1, that's equation number 2. I have two equations here. The first equation is very clear. You can see that they have a x squared plus y squared is equal to 13, and the second equation is like a linear equation, is x is equal to y minus 5. So when we have that type of a two equations, so we basically use a substitution method. Remember that this topic name is quadratic simultaneous equation. I cannot be able to use elimination method. I just use substitution. Okay. Alright, so I have to substitute something. I have to simplify first. So obviously the first question is look like very harder. I don't do with anything with equation number 1, sorry. I just look my equation number 2, but it is very easy because it's already simplified. X is equal to y minus 5. So what I do, kids, I just take x is equal to y minus 5. I take my equation number 2 and I substitute into my first equation. So basically, in place of x, I substitute, this is x. In place of x, I write on y minus 5. Just look at the first step. This is x squared. So in the place of x, I write y minus 5 is x squared. So I write a square here. And plus y squared is equal to 13. This is basically the same as it is comes here. Alright. So I just substitute my equation number 2 into my equation number 1. Alright. So now I have to do, like, I done my first step. I have to expand this bracket because my kids remember that whenever I have a square on any bracket, it's mean I expand like that. I don't do directly because I saw a lot of kids make a mistake on that point. So square mean you just multiply like that is more easier. So let's go to second step. So I just write 2 times here, like, because I have a square, and because of a y squared is a y squared same as it is, and the 13 is same as it is here. So that's I done my second step. I move my third step because in my third step I just multiply. Let me make arrows here so you can easily, like, what I multiply. Firstly I multiply y is y squared, then I same number I multiply with negative 5. Y times negative 5 is negative 5y. I'm using other colors so you see like what's next. Then I multiply this number, negative 5 multiply y is negative 5y. Then negative 5 multiply negative 5 is negative negative, so it's make a plus 25. And this y square same as it is, this 13 is same as it is here. After this step I just move my more step like the next one, and obviously I just simplify my thingy. So negative 5y and negative 5y is negative 10y. This y square and this y square is gonna be add up, is gonna be 2y squared. Plus 25 is gonna be same as it is here, the 13 gonna be same as it is here. And then what I do next step, I simplify more. A lot of kids become, what, how teacher get a 12 here? Basically I did a negative 13 on my both sides. Here is negative 13. So plus 25 and negative 13 is plus 12, and negative 13 negative 13 is 0 here, and these two values are same as it is. So this is my quadratic equation and I have to make a factors, kids. Instead I use a AC method. A lot of kids already know what's a AC method, but I'm gonna make a little bit simplify. What I'm gonna do, that I'm gonna divide it by 2 with every single thing here to make my equation a little bit more easy, so it's helped me to make a factors easily. So 2 divided by 2 is y square here, 10 divided by 2 is minus 5, 12 divided by 2 is plus 6. Don't be confused, this is just a line here, it's not a negative sign. Okay, so now I have to find out the factors, like it's multiply. So I got 6, when it's plus minus I got negative 5. So my dear kids, look at here, 3 times 2 is 6. Alright, and I need negative 5, so I'm gonna do minus 3 and minus 2 because negative 3 and negative 2 give you plus 6. and -3 and -2, it's give you -5. So yeah, that's my perfect factors is gonna be. So y minus 3 and y minus 2. I remember that my one of the student, he like asked me how I know that, like when I get the factors, should I do the x and y. Probably look at my quadratic equation, kids. If I have the y here, so obviously I get the factors for the y, and then I just split it up because y minus 3 is equal to 0. And when I solve this one, let's make a line between them. I got y is equal to 3, and that's y minus 2 is equal to 0. Like separate you can do as well. So y is equal to 2. I get my y values, but obviously I have to be find out the solution for the x as well. So what I do, I got my y values. This is my equation. You can use any equation. It's not any compulsory like you have to use the first equation or you have to use the second equation. But probably we just choose the easy path. I will prefer to do it the second equation because that's easy. If I wanna find out that this one, so I use this equation. X is equal to y minus 5. I got my two y values 3, and I just substitute 3 minus 5 here. I got x value minus 2, and then I substitute y is equal to 2 in place of the y. I got 2 y answer and I get 2 my x answer. So this is how is the best way to do it quadratic simultaneous equation. um, I hope you understand every single thing. Just pause the video. If any step do you think about is not make sense, you can comment to me as well. Alright, good luck.